It's a wonderful day, and I got a good camera. While on my bike ride to Best Buy, I'm thinking about a GoPro Hero 12. I'm thinking, put the money back on the gift card, wait later. Those are my choices. I'm not gonna go towards the shoreline, but I'm gonna go the straight line as possible, the shortest route possible. I still gotta make a couple of turns to get where I need to go. Now, why don't I want to keep the X3? Well, I'm afraid if I hit something, I'm going to scratch the lens. I don't want all that legwork to do for a short clip. And, man, I don't think I really need to have a 360 camera. I already got one, which I hardly ever use. So there's a lot I like and dislike. And why do I want a GoPro Hero 12? One excellent reason is I run a forum and I help everybody out. So I really need to have a GoPro Hero 12 like a hole in my head. One awesome reason is if I live stream to Facebook and or YouTube or an RTMP, the GoPro will have the ability to communicate back and forth via chat. DJI Osmo Action 4 doesn't do that, or even in the future, or even does it at all. I like the options to have those vehicle light trails, the painting, things that automatically you can do that you don't have to set up. And yeah, I hear you could do profile renaming today. So yeah, GoPro may be the one to get. Now the Osmo 4, I like the tunes at the start up, the stop. DJI did a good job. GoPro, beep, 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 beep. They need to change that quickly. As I turn around and I show you where I'm heading, I'm not that far. I still got a lot of way to go. But at least I don't have to make a detour right now. The Osmo 4, I got hard buttons to press. We got something happening up ahead. 3, 4 police cars. There's a random check. And making sure that Christmas holidays spirits are here. Pretty much making good time, getting to where I need to be at, and it's warming up. Even though I'm wearing a pair of gloves, keep my hands warm. I got a long way to go. Man, I gotta watch out for everything in the road. Hey, the famous pizza, it's ready. Wanna go get a slice? They're open, finally. I go to Costco to go get gas at $2.95. Do I really see in the distance $2.85? That's $2.95 my eyes are saying. Am I gonna make it? They're gonna let me go by? What we do for scrap, man. Man, I'm about halfway there. And I got another big trip to go home. I don't want to tire myself out. Do I need anything at Home Depot, like a generator that I can hook up to the bike and pedal me the rest of the way? Yeah, that'd be nice to have a hybrid electric bicycle scooter, right? Wind is no one's friend. And that's like one reason why I didn't want the Insta X3. I have to do a lot of work and another editor just to get the wind out. And season's over, season's gonna begin. Yeah, that's what action cameras are for. Going in and share the fun. Wherever you're at, whatever fair, carnival, amusement park you're at. But here I am, making my turn in. I made it to Best Buy. Now I gotta make my decision what I'm gonna walk out with. I'll make my purchase online because somebody bought that one, and that's opened, not open, and that's open. So you can see, yeah, you can get a good deal or not a good deal. Out of here I go. I go make my purchase online. Let's go head on out, head on back home. Well, I'm not upset. I'm very pleased. I'm gonna just make a decision when I get home. I got all my money back the way it's supposed to be. And maybe I'll just wait another day. Never rush into a good deal, right? Research is key. Help me out here. Fish got a camera. Fish don't need to spend the money today to get a discount that could be a bit of discount tomorrow. So Fish should hold on to what he's got and wait till later. That's what Fish is going to do before I make my decision. I don't know if they were taking this stuff on their own, but it sure looked that way because normally you have somebody there for you. Oh, man, I swore I pressed the button before. I'm going over another waterway. Yeah. See if I can make it there. What are we picking up? They don't know. I'm going on like kind of a shortcut, cutting down the street. I'll pass by that pizzeria that you should go get a pie, not a slice. All right, here it is. Tortillanos. Mickey D's with the arches. Yeah, man. Those are the new arches or old arches. Yeah. My ride is near. I got enough battery power, enough time on the video, enough vlogging, but too much wind. Finish up this vlog. What did they do? Replace poles? I made it. Wind and all. I had a good bike ride, a good return ride. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna sit back, relax, and watch more videos and think about my decision. You post down below. Tell me your thoughts out loud. Your opinion also counts. It helps all out, including me, you, them. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Fish, and I'll see you on many to come.